With the emotions of nationalism and patriotism, Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated every year as a national festival of India by the Indians with the same enthusiasm. The father of the nation, a social reformer and a freedom fighter, preserved tirelessly working in the notions of ahimsa, non-violence, to get Bharat free from the clutches of the British Raj. The entire country is indebted to his efforts, and therefore we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on October 2nd to mark his efforts. This day is for remembering his teachings and values which he contributed to the society, and to understand the sacrifices he made for the freedom of our country by arranging different struggle movements. 2nd October is also the birth anniversary of Lal Bahadur Shastri Ji, the second Prime Minister of India. They both were renowned persons as a freedom fighter who fought for our country for independence. Gandhiji was a supporter of non-violence, truth and peace. He always supported movements that never included violence. He wanted to gain freedom peacefully. That's why 2nd October, which is Gandhi Jayanti, is also celebrated as the International Non-Violence Day. Some of the significant freedom struggle movements led by Gandhiji was Civil Disobedience Movement, Non-Cooperation Movement, Dandi March and many more. People all over the world paid tribute to the contributions of Mahatma Gandhiji on that day and praise his teachings. The motto for the campaigns explained about gaining freedom for India from the rule of the British government without any violence. Being celebrated on 2nd October every year, it is one of the 3 national festivals in India. It is a gazetted holiday, so all the government offices and institutes remains closed on this day. Various institutions like schools, colleges and government offices organize different programs to pay their tribute to the father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi Ji. On the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti, many schools and colleges conduct speech competitions, quiz, essay writing, role playing, drama and skits for students to remember and share the teachings of Mahatma Gandhi Ji. In the Rajghat Memorial, citizens of India, irrespective of religion, caste, gender, even the member of political party, also visits and pays tribute to Gandhiji. On this day, many movies are broadcasted on television and radio channels centering around his life. On this day, residents decorate statues and portraits of Mahatma Gandhiji with flowers and garlands all over India. On 2nd October 2021, we will be celebrating the 152nd anniversary of Bapu. On the day of Gandhi Jayanti, people honor and pay tribute to the contributions of Mahatma Gandhiji for his role towards the freedom of India and his immense sacrifices against the British government. Another name that was given to Mahatma Gandhi is the father of the nation, India. Gandhi Jayanti is also celebrated in Indian embassies around the globe. That day, we remember his ideology and teachings which he contributed to society. Gandhi Jayanti is very pious and patriotic day, we should maintain its legacy. Happy Gandhi Jayanti to all the people of our country.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to